Check this.
Hi everyone, I'm here at Fantasyland Dapitan. I'm going to give you a glimpse of Fantasyland Dapitan.
You'll never run out of things to do in Dapitan, Zamboanga del Norte. It has everything for all kinds of travelers. Dapitan is a clean town in Zamboanga del Norte. Welcome to Gloria's Fantasyland, a place that you might want to visit if you are in Dapitan City. They got fun rides and they also got various cartoon characters in the entrance. Gloria's Fantasyland is located in Sunset Boulevard, Dawu, Dapitan City, inside Gloria de Dapitan. It is 12 kilometers away from Dipolog Airport. Gloria's Fantasyland is the biggest amusement park in Mindanao, located in Dapitan City in the province of Zamboanga del Norte. Gloria Fantasyland is one of the main attractions in Dapitan, Philippines. Magandang mamasyal dito paggabi kasi magandang tingnan yung mga ilaw. Kung wala kang pera ay may enjoy mo pa rin ang Gloria's Fantasyland kasi sa labas pa lang ay ang ganda na ng mga view. Pwede ka nang makapag-picture-picture sa labas pa lang dahil ang daming pwedeng mapagpicturan, hindi mo kailangang magbayad. Kung wala kang pera pero gusto mong i-date ang jowa mo, ay walang problema, dalhin mo lang dito sa Gloria's Fantasyland. Siguradong pareho kayong mai-enjoy kasi kahit sa labas pa lang, ay talagang ang ganda ng view. Kung may problema ka at gusto mong maglakwatsa pero wala kang pera, huwag mag-alala. Punta ka lang dito sa Gloria's Fantasyland, bigla mong malilimutan ang iyong problema. If you are in the Dipolog area or Dapitan City area, you must visit Gloria's Fantasyland. Siguradong mai-enjoy ang mga bata, pati ang mga feeling bata. Kainan sa barbecuehan after dahil napagod sa kakapicture sa Gloria's Fantasyland. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates for a new video.